Good morning, students. Students, now you listen to this conversation. Okay, so this is a conversation between Amy and Zoya. Okay, now listen to the conversation. Amy: Hey Zoya, what did you do during the vacation? Zoya: Hi Amy, I went on a trip with my parents. Amy: Really? Me too. Where did you go? Zoya: We went to Delhi. Which place did you visit? Amy: We went to Chennai. My uncle lives there. Zoya: When did you come back? Amy: We came back 10 days ago. Zoya: Why did you come back so soon? Amy: My brother's sick. My brother fell sick. He's fine now. Zoya: Okay, glad to know that he is fine now. Okay, now students, you observe these questions, observe this conversation. We are having a question word. Now what are the questions they are come across? What do you do during the vacation? The next one, where did you go? Which place did you visit? When did you come back? Why did you come back so soon? Okay, now we observe that they are telling the question words. Okay, they are just telling they are asking a lot of questions. So today we are going to see about the question words. What are the question words? What, where, when, which, why. Okay, these words we are going to see in today's class. Okay, what is a question word? So words that are used to ask question. Okay, so these words are used to ask questions are called a question words. The words are what, where, when, which, why. Okay, these words they ask the questions. Okay, so they are called as the question words. These words are called as the question words. What are they? What, where, when, which, why are called as the question words because they ask questions. Okay, that's why they got the name question words. Okay, now each question word is used to ask about a different thing. Okay, each question word, okay, they used to ask about a different thing. Okay, let us see what are they. Okay, for this they are given in the tabular column format. Okay, so see here, question about, question word and the example. So this is the question word, and what does the question about? I have told no, each question word is used to ask about a different thing. So they question about what, like that they are given here. Okay, so question word is given and what does they question about, they are given, and also the example is given for you. Now see here, the question word were, okay, the word they question about a places. Okay, see for example, where are you going? Where are you going? Like that they are asking. Okay, where they question about the places. So for that, what's the answer? What you will say? Take page number 65 of your English grammar book. So where are you going? For that, what answer you will give? I am going to the playground with my friends. Okay, so it is a place. Place apatti solo. Okay, so where they question about a place. See the next one, when. Okay, when they question about a time. See for example, when do you go to school? When do you go to school? The answer is I go to school at 8 o'clock. Okay, so when they question about a time. Okay, if you want to ask a time means you have to ask the question when. Okay, when did you go to school? Like that. Okay, then for next one, why. Okay, why they question about a reason. Reason means karanam. Okay, why they question about a reason. See for example, why are you late? What answer you will give? I am late because there was a traffic jam. You will give any reason, is it? So why they question about a reason. And a what. Okay, next one is what. The question word is what, to ask for some information. If you want to get some information, we have to use the question word what. What is your name? What is your father? What is your mother? So observe these. So while you are asking these question words, you want to get some information, okay? If you want to gather more information, you have to ask the question what, okay? What, to ask for some information, okay? So in your book you can write these words, okay? What, to ask for some information, okay? Within bracket you can write, okay? Here they are just given think, okay? Think is only given in your book. You can write this also. It will be very easy. What, to ask for some information, okay? If you want to get information, you have to use the question word what. What do you have in your hand? Okay, what do you have in your hand? What's the answer you will give? I have a pencil box in my hand. Okay, see the next one, which they question about choices, okay, or a something in particular. Choices means this or that, okay, or something in particular. If they are asking something in particular means you have to use the question word which they question about choice or something in particular. See for example, which grade are you in? For that what answer you will give? I am in second grade. Particularly they are asking, okay, which grade are you in? Okay, it's not choice, it is something in particular. So which grade are you in? Here they are referring to a something in particular. So they are asking us something in particular. Which grade are you in? Now you are in which grade? You are in second grade, is it? And which is also used for the choices also, okay? Students, have you are clear with this? You have to know the question words and what does they question about also you must know, okay? Where they question about place, when they question about time, why they question about reason, what, to ask for some information. If you want to get a lot of information, if you want to get an information means you have to use the question word what. Then which they question about choice, this or that choice, or a something in particular. If they are asking a something in particular means they have to use the question word which, okay? Students, have you are clear with this? So now students take page number 64. In that also a few example is given. Take page number 64. When will you go home? What are your plans? Why did you do this? Where is the food court? Which chocolate do you want to have? Okay, so in this what are the question words? Can you tell? The words are in red, no? What are they? When, what, why, where, which are the question words, okay? Now you can go through it, okay? These are the question words and what does they question about? Like that you can see and you can write with your pencil. So this example, what does they question about, okay? When, for example, when will you go home? They are asking, no? When they question about what? A time. So in a bracket you have to write they question about a time. When they question about time, like that you have to write in a bracket, okay? For these examples alone, okay? Have to do this as the homework, okay? What does they question about? Like that you have to write it in a bracket, okay? Now we shall do the book exercise. So I hope you all remember the question words. What are the question words we have seen in this class? That is what, where, when, which, why are the question words, okay? Now take page number 64. So in that first exercise, read the sentence given below and circle the question words. So in this sentence you have to circle the question words, okay? A, why were you late for class today? Okay, what's the question word here? Why. Okay, you have to circle why. And students, remember while you are writing a question word, at the end you have to put a question mark. Okay, at the end you have to put a question mark. Okay, it's the most important thing. So after you finish the sentence, you have to put a question mark for the question word alone, okay? So for the statement you can put a full stop, but for the question words, okay? But while you are asking a question means at the end of a sentence you have to put a question mark. Now you see in this sentence, why were you late for class today? At the end of they are putting the question mark. After today, what they are putting? The question mark. Okay, while you are asking question, you have to put the question mark at the end. See the next one. What did the naughty monkey do? What? What is the question word? Okay, you have to circle it. Then see, when do you practice dance? So when is the question word? Okay, you have to circle these words. And D and E are the homework for you. Okay, in this sentence you have to circle the question words. Okay, and the next exercise is, take page number 65. In that, the second exercise, choose the correct question word from the box and complete the sentence given below. You have to choose the correct question word. Okay, in the box they are given the question words. You have to fill in the blanks with the correct question word. What are the question words they are given? Where, what, why, which, when are the question words. Okay, now we can fill in the blanks. A dash did you read school? When? Okay, when did you read school? Then B, dash is she crying? Why is she crying? Why? The next one, dash is your favorite song. Okay, so what's the answer? What is your favorite song? So you are asking, you want to get some information. To ask for some information, you have to use the question word what. Here you want to get some information, so you have to put the question word what. What is your favorite song? What? D, dash is the name of Rohini younger brother. You want to get some information, you have to use the question word what. What is the name of Rohini younger brother? What? E, dash do you stay? Where do you stay? Okay, where? Okay, so now in this sentence also observe this, at the end they are putting the question mark at the end of a sentence. Okay, students, have you all know the answers in your book? Now let's move on to the third exercise. Take page number 66. In that, read the sentence, complete the question word using the complete the question using the correct question word. Okay, you have to complete the question using the correct question word. So in the sentence the question word is missing. You have to fill out the correct question word. Okay. A, Samir went home. Okay, so this is the answer. And how we have to ask the question? The question word is missing here. Dash did Samir go? Where did Samir go? So it's the right question word. Where? Okay, where the question about a place. Where did Samir go? Where? Then B, my favorite color is purple. So this is answer. How we will ask the question? What is your favorite color? You want to get some information. For that you have to use the question word what. What is your favorite color? See, Diwali is in 2 weeks. So this is answer. So how we will ask the question? When is Diwali? Okay. When is Diwali? Then D, I am hungry because I have not had breakfast today. So this answer. How we will ask the question? Why are you so hungry? Why are you so hungry? So why is the question word here? E, I play volleyball better. Okay, this is the answer. How we will ask the question? Which game do you play better? Cricket or volleyball? So it's of a choices. Okay, which the question about our choices. For the choices you have to use the question word which. Okay, which game do you play better? Cricket or volleyball? It's a choice. Cricket or volleyball or. It's a choice one. For the choice, you have to use the question word which. Which game do you play better? Cricket or volleyball? Okay. So students, have you clear with the question words? So what is a question word? Words that are used to ask questions are called as the question words. What are the question words we come across? That is what, where, when, which, why. And also we have seen the what does they question about, like that also we have learned. Okay. So I have marked D and E as the homework in the first exercise. Do that as homework. Thank you, students.